Hi, I'm Tim Carter, AskTheBuilder.com. I want to show you how to strengthen pocket door walls with Johnson Hardware reinforcement clips. These clips make walls like this up to 3 times stronger. The ingenious clips allow you to put solid pieces of plywood in between the steel-wrapped split studs that create the pocket for the door. The clips work with either 5/8 inch or 3/4 inch plywood, depending on which pocket door frame you use. The solid plywood allows you to hang heavy objects such as mirrors, large framed art, and similar things without using large anchors that might extend into the pocket. Screws and bolts like that would easily scratch a gorgeous door. The clips attach to the edges of the plywood with ease. Watch how it's done! See how easy it is to strengthen a pocket door wall? This plywood is going to hold a lot of weight. I'm convinced that every pocket door frame you install from now on is going to be one from Johnson Hardware that will accept these fantastic clips. I'm Tim Carter, AskTheBuilder.com. If you want to discover more home improvement tips, go to AskTheBuilder.com.